Yes. So listen carefully, students. So NEET 2021. So our target 50 out of 50. So in this, come to the Dr. Veera Organic NEET Chemistry. So very important organic. Chapter 1 is alkyl halides. So preparation of alkyl halides. So how to prepare alkyl halides? So very important reagents: PBr3, phosphorus, phosphorus tribromide, and SOCl2, thionyl chloride, then triphenyl phosphine, bromine, then triphenyl phosphine iodine, and another important reagent, that is C2H5. So this is also a very good chlorinating reagent. So the name of this one is 2-chloro 3-ethyl benzoxylium cation. So this is also very important reagent. Easily it can, because of this one you can see, and to neutralize this one, and it can shift the bonds and it will give the chloronium ion. So these are very important reagents to convert alcohols to alkyl halides. For example, you can see CH3, CH, CH2, OH, and reaction with PBr3. Okay, so it gives Br. So very important is that what is the mechanism of this reaction, is that once alcohol, so having lone pair of electrons here, these alcohols, phosphorus Br3, we know that it is a vacant d orbital will be there and it will form like this. So now because of this one, it will form phosphorus OR, then Br, plus HBr. So like this alkoxy, so compound it will form. So for that, so 3 moles of alcohols and reaction with PBr3, it gives very important P double bond O, OR and OR plus RBr plus 3 HBr. HBr it can generate. Okay, so this once it will form alkoxy, and reaction with HBr it will form alkyl halide. So now it is a Br will substitute, so SN2 type mechanism it will follow. So alkyl halides. So completely in this one, so alcohols reaction with phosphorus tribromide it is an inversion of configuration. So no rearrangement, inversion of configuration. So that is the important. So these are the reagents you can notice. Some examples you can see. For example, so like this it is there, and the reaction with PBr3, and even some case we can use pyridine as a base, and so it can convert it to the alkyl halide. And even double bonded compound also it may not affect. So you can see here, this is the alcohol, and even double bond is there, but alcohol is there, but it won't affect. Even so it can convert to alkyl halide CH3. So, and another interesting is that even vinyl alcohol, and here CH3, you can see, not vinyl alcohol, CH2OH, and even chlorinating carbon tetrachloride in presence of triphenyl phosphine, also very important reagent to convert alcohol to alkyl halide. So another reagent, that is CClO4 and triphenyl phosphine, also important chlorinating reagent. So whatever the example you can see here, the hydroxy group reaction with PBr3 in presence of a base medium, the OH group is converted into the alkyl halide. And even very interesting is that even double bond is there, it may not affect by using of same reagent, and it converted into the alkyl halide. So, and even allylic position alcohols reaction with in the presence of carbon tetrachloride, reaction with triphenyl phosphine as a base. So in this one also very good alkyl halides it can be generated. Please note down. And another one is even some tosyl chloride, for example. So for example, this is the benzyl alcohol and tosyl chloride using lithium bromide, also it can, first of all it can form oxygen S double bond OS, like that tosylate it will form, because now compared to the alcohol it is very good, better leaving group. So in place of lithium bromide, so it will form CH2Br. So like that easily it can convert alcohol to alkyl halides without any rearrangement. So even CH double bond CH and CH2OH. So now this is the, you can see that even double bond is there, and phenylic, in phenyl also sp2 hybridization, but no. So in place of triphenyl and bromine, so no reaction, so it will form CH double bond CH and CH2Br. So very interesting is that in presence of a triphenyl phosphine and bromine directly, so without triphenyl, so it may affect the double bond, but by using of triphenyl phosphine in presence of a bromine reagent, that alkyl group, alcoholic group is converted into alkyl halide. So even another example, for example cyclohexene is there, and even CH2OH is there, and we can convert, so triphenyl phosphine in presence of iodine, also it can convert without effect of alkene. So we can use as imidazole as a base. So this one as a base, it can act as a base, and so now it's a, in all this case, so no rearrangement. So what is the order of leaving group? So what is the order of leaving group? Sulfate SO3 minus is a very good sulfate and all very good leaving group. Then I minus, then Br minus, then Cl minus. So like that. So there are different mesitylene, mesitylate, tosylate, even compared to, for example, CF3 COO minus is a very good triflate. That means trifluoroacetate, also very good leaving group. So very important. So these are all important reagents. So then, so for example, you can see this is the very good cation to convert. So this one, and once it can react with right. So for example, this one. Yeah, so this is very good chlorinating reagent, double bond oxygen, and so like this will be there, and ethyl will be cation. So once it can react with alcohol, so once what will form, so it will react like this. So and it will form N or Cl, then oxygen, like that. So again this double bond can be, so now the chlorine is leaving group. So once it will form, so N double bond, now OR, like that. Again this cation will be formed. So now this Cl minus will attack backside and it can form like this. So this is also very important reagent, very important chlorinating reagent. So this is called 2-chloro-3-ethyl benzoxolium cation. So 2-chloro-3-ethyl benzoxolium cation. So these are important reagents to convert alcohols to, please note down. So another important is, for example, alcohol reaction with SOCl2. So we know that in nucleophilic so what will form? Alkyl chloride, sulfur dioxide plus HCl. So very important. So here in SOCl2, whether retention configuration or inversion configuration. So very difficult to identify. So it depends on solvent. So without solvent, a reaction is inversion of configuration. So please note down. So in the absence of solvent participation, okay, so product with inversion of configuration means without any solvent it leads to the inversion of configuration. For example, so alcohol reaction with SOCl2 and it convert alkoxy sulfonyl chloride plus HCl. Okay, so now that again in second step, so alkoxy sulfonyl chloride, and again you can see this is the, now chlorine is a nucleophile and backside attack, so that's why it is a backside attack. So it leads to the alkyl halide with inversion of configuration plus HCl. So now, so without any solvent the reaction leads to the inversion of configuration. For example OH is there, SOCl2. So what is the product? Inversion of configuration. OHSO2, so leads to the inversion of configuration. So now for example this is the configuration 1 and this is 2, this is 3. So now it is R configuration. So now this is S configuration. So now like that. Yeah. So we can get the different configuration products. For example, in presence of a solvent, or a base, suppose we use it as a base pyridine or dioxane. So what is the product or what is the configuration? For example, so in presence of, for example, ROSOCl plus, for example, dioxane we used as a solvent or base, what will happen? Now this will be formed. So now dioxonium and oxygen, now the bond will form plus SO2 plus HCl. So now the configuration is reversed with completely filled with occupied with the oxygen solvent and further reaction with chlorine nucleophile. So it leads to the retention of configuration. So now it is retention of configuration. So that's why, so the very important method to convert. So for example you can see OH, now it is a chiral center and in place of SOCl2 dioxane as a solvent, so it leads to retention of configuration, BR, retention of configuration. For example, OH. So influence of PBr3, okay, dioxane is the retention of configuration. So like that. Now you can see the retention of configuration. So very important alkyl halide concept here is that when we will get the retention of configuration, when the product is inversion configuration, it depends on solvent. So no solvent, then a completely it is inversion of configuration. And once we used dioxane as a solvent, because you can see that once the alcohol reaction with thionyl chloride, it will form alkoxy sulfonyl chloride. And now so in second step, this dioxane can attack backside, so that it leads to the bond formation between the a solvent and alkyl group, alkyl cation. So that's why the incoming nucleophile get the product is retention of configuration. So this is very important observation. So what is important observation? That nothing but, for example, so no rearrangement, very important is that no rearrangement. So almost 90% of the product will get no rearrangement product. Only rearrange means side product, nearly 10% of product. So what that is the very interesting example of this conversion. Even bulky alkyl groups, even you can see that, even for example HBr. So now this rearrangement taking place. So whereas this even neopentyl alcohol, this is neopentyl alcohol, by using of PBr3, even some case quinoline. So no rearrangement, you can see. So no rearrangement product. So nearly this product will 63% and slightly. So rearrangement also it is possible, but the product is very less, nearly 26%. So that is very important. So backside displacement and carbon. So what is this one? Statement is that backside displacement on carbon. The stereochemistry. So the stereochemistry overall of the overall process is inversion of configuration. So PBr3 means inversion of configuration. SOCl2 means it depends on solvent. So very good example. It's a very important compound, this one, biological important compound. For example, we say that, and here OH is there, CH3, and even the reaction with PBr3, even so it leads to inversion of configuration, like that. So you can see here the position is very important. Even in the case of PBr3, it leads to the inversion of configuration. So that is the important. So then very important, another important reagent, 2, 4, 4, 6 tetrachloro hexa 2, 5 dieno. So this is also very important brominating agent. So this is, you can see here, tetrabromo compound, and easily you can see the structure of this one, and it leads to like this. So it will generate easily Br plus, bromonium ion. So in presence of this reagent also, it leads alcohol is converted into alkyl halides. So that are, these and all very important reagents. Even, yeah, for example, so like that, CH double bond CH and OH will be there, and in this OH will be there, and it reaction with methyl sulfonyl chloride. So because of this OH group, it can leads to the, so it will form a better living group. So now, and further reaction with lithium chloride in presence of a DMF as a solvent, so it leads to alkyl chloride. You can see this OH group is converted into alkyl halides without affecting of a double bond. So these are the very important examples of the conversion of alkyl halides. And some of the reactions we'll see. Then interesting, for example, aldol condensation will go. Aldol condensation reaction. So for example, CH3 and CH2, CH double bond O in place of a potassium hydroxide as a base. So what is the product here? So CH3 and CH3, CH2, CHOH, then CH, CHO, CH2, CH3. See, it's a depends on stability of enolates. Stability of enolates. So nearly 75% of the product. So now this is the alpha position, this is beta. Beta hydroxy carbonyl compounds. For example, acetone is there. Even in the case of by using beryllium hydroxide, also the condensation reaction may taking place. CH3. So even in presence of acidic medium, also the aldol reaction may taking place, 79%. So very interesting is that even cyclohexanone in presence of HCl, it leads to the different compounds. Once it will form halogen compound, you can see. So beta halo ketonic compound. So why? Because once the mechanism, you can see, cyclohexanone in place of acidic medium, so now this proton will, so it will form more reacted, so now oxonium ion. So now compared to neutral carbonyl, now this, because of, so it is a more electrophilic carbon center will create here. So that's why, so once it will form OH and positive charge, so then another enolic position, we know, right, it will form a keto and enol. So once this double bond can shifted here, and now there is a CC bond is forming, CC bond formation. So that's why once it will form alcohol and ketone. So this is alpha, this is beta, but we are using HCl, so that's why this immediately this hydroxy group is converted into alkyl halide. Very important and very interesting example. So like this is IIT IITG. So like this very important examples, even in the case of mixed halogens. Thank you.